Hi everyone, here is episode 12 of the weekly expert live classes. For the week of March 28 to April 3rd, 2022, the live classes topics include transferring and acquiring a website, scaling your Google Ads performance. When it comes to WA, promotion content is king, the basics of content creation. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. In this live class by Benji's dad, you will learn the complicated process of acquiring and transferring a website. Once your first Google ad is up, the next step is to monitor it. Depending on how it does, we will be adjusting to its performance. There may be different situations that arise, for example, profits, failure, and the need to adjust. And in this webinar, we'll be covering the different situations to look out for and how to adjust for each one so that in the long run, your Google ad performs successfully and scale your profits. The bottom line when it comes to getting to Vegas and getting referrals to convert and doing it consistently boils down to one thing: consistent quality content. Content creation is the foundation of any online business. In this live class, you will learn how to get started with your own online content creation strategy. To be honest, I am not too pleased with the variety of live classes this week at Wealthy Affiliate. All the live classes are for Premium Plus members only. None for the Premium members? This is not right. This makes Wealthy Affiliate look like they're forcing their members to go Premium Plus. And to be honest, the Premium Plus live classes are not so that fantastic, I hope future live classes from them can be better. And also they have more for Premium members. Do you have any questions about the topic in this video? That is the live classes such as scale your Google Ads, basics of content creation, and more? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.